Okay, so here we are. Just doing everything's okay. So here we are in Geometry Unit 5. With each figure below, find the area and perimeter. Okay. So for a parallelogram, we have all four sides. That makes the perimeter pretty straightforward to solve, right? It's going to be 16 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10. So that's 32 plus 20, which is 52 centimeters for the perimeter. And for the area of a trapezoid, it's just like a rectangle, space times height, except with a rectangle, the sides are perpendicular, so you could do length times width. With the parallelogram, it's a little bit different. We can't do 16 times 10 because the 16 and 10 are not perpendicular. So we have to do 16 times 9. 9 is the height of that parallelogram. So the area is 16 times 9. And for 16 times 10, it'll be 160. And you take off 16 from there, so 144. Let's double check though. Yeah, 16 times 9 is 144. So 144 square centimeters for the area of that parallelogram. For the trapezoid down here, again, the perimeter is pretty straightforward because we have all four sides. So the perimeter is just 25 plus the 24 plus the 44.67 plus the 21. We add all those together. 21 plus 25 plus 24 plus 44.67. We add all those together. I got 114.67 meters as the perimeter. And the area for a trapezoid is 1/2 the sum of the bases, so 25 plus 44.67 times the height, which is 20 there. So let's add the bases together. 25 plus 44.67. So that is 69.67. And then we'll divide that by 2 and times it by 20, which ends up being 696.7 square meters for the area there. Okay, the other ones here, we have a irregular shaped object. Let's get all the side lengths here and then we can get the perimeter. So if this total distance is 12 and this is 9, that means there's 3 hanging over here. If this length is 3, then this length is 3. This total length here is 7 plus 2, which is 9, and this is 5, and this is 2, so that's 7, which means there has to be 2 there, so they both add up to 9. So the perimeter is going to be 12 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2. So we add all that together. So 12 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2. You got 48 to be 48 centimeters to be the perimeter when we add all those together. Now for the area, we can do it a couple ways. One way would be to dissect this up into like a bunch of rectangles or squares or whatever we can visualize in here. I am going to do it a little bit of a different way. I am going to think of it as, draw this out here, I'm going to think of this as one big rectangle, and then I'm going to subtract out this portion and this portion. So I'm going to find the whole rectangle, I'm going to cut away these two portions. This portion has an area of 21, and this portion has an area of 15. The entire area is 12 by 9. So we have 12 by 9 minus 15 minus 21. Well, 12 times 9 is 108. So 108 minus 15 minus 21 leaves us with an area of 72 square centimeters as the area. Okay, similar thing here. So let's see, perimeter we got 10, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 10, and 23. Okay, so let's just add all those things together for the perimeter. So we got 23 plus 10 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 10. Add all that together. I got 58 feet for the perimeter. Now for the area, very similar to the last problem, I'm going to close this off and imagine that there's this whole trapezoid there. And then I'm just going to subtract out this portion, which is 6. So the whole trapezoid would be 1/2 the sum of the bases, so 23 plus, and this is 4 plus 3 plus 4, so that's 11. And then the height is 8. So 1/2 times 34 times 8. So the whole area of that entire trapezoid is 136. We're going to subtract that chunk of 6 from right there. So our area is 130 square feet. Okay, if you have any questions about how we found the area or perimeter for either of those, any four of those objects, leave a comment. Otherwise, you're more than welcome to like, subscribe, or share to our geometry videos.